Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and this is day second. To Lake Tahoe. So this is day second to Lake Tahoe, and we are going to our first destination. Actually, we are going to our destination, and suddenly we found this very beautiful place on the way. So we decided to stay here for some time and explore this place also, because it looks so nice. The view is so good. So we decided to stop here and take some pictures and spend some 15-20 minutes. So we are here in the parking area. So luckily we got a parking area. So we are going inside, and honestly we don't know what's inside. Generally we are going anywhere and we already search about the place. We already found some pictures on map, but this place is completely new and we suddenly found this place in the way. So we decided to go. We don't know what's inside. Just we look from the outside and it looks good, so we decided to go in, and it's really amazing. And that was the very that's a good decision to go there and to stop for this place. This place was amazing. Actually, the city was amazing itself. Wherever you go in the city, it looks beautiful because the city is completely close to the nature. So the whole city, it's beautiful itself. So wherever you go, it's beautiful. So as you can see, it's worth that we stopped here and we spent some time over here. We took some pictures, and I was grateful that I have a beautiful this film for my friends, for you guys. And this place is for him, because I think he loved this kind of place. He loved to play with water and sands. So once we reached there, and he started to say mom, 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 and I wanted to go to the mom. And he started to play. He doesn't care that where's mama, where's papa. He just simply play with the water. So as you can see how beautiful all the things, the mountain, the water, the color of the water, the color of the sky. Now you can see the mountain, the snow mountain, the birds. Oh my god. Now this is a selfie time again. Of course, it's important, right? I love cold places, so I love this city. The birds. It seems that they are now addicted to the pictures and the videos, so the birds are okay with it. Now we are going to our next stop. Actually we are going up to the mountain to see the view the view is so nice from the mountain. Once we reach on like this, you can see this. As you can see, the lake is the same, and we are watching the lake from the up, so it looks some different. So at the same point it looks so beautiful, and this is the another side of that view. So it's a mountain. Guys, please excuse this part because I forget my tripod at home, so it's kind of so blurry or so, shaking kind of video. But please excuse it, please avoid it, guys, because I wanted to film these all things, but it's something shrink, but it looked good, so I thought I should have to add this film also in my video. So we are very near to our next destination. The way is like scary because it's a slopey kind of way, and we are going up on the mountain. It was scary. So yeah, we are here at our next destination. So and it's last destination, and after that we have to go to back our home. It's really beautiful place. There's nothing, just this is just a view which you have to see, and nothing more than that. And of course it's really beautiful, and it's completely worth to come here and to take a picture and make a video and spend some time. You feel good. So at that place, this is only the thing, this view as you can see now, but this is so beautiful, guys. So it looks like a scenery. As you can see, it's not looks like real, but it's real. So yes, that was the second day, and I was not filming too much, but I cover all the places where I went. So I hope guys you like this video, and I hope you like my first video also, day 1 video. It is day 2 video. So of course we decided to go again at that place at Lake Tahoe, and again I will film more videos. So for this trip and for this video, this is it. I hope you like it, and if you like it, please give it a big thumbs up, and please subscribe my channel so you will get to know more videos. So right now we are going back, and I will see you in my next video. Till then, take care. Bye.